Extraction of silver. The important ore of silver from which silver is extracted is Ag2S. It can be called as silver glance. Silver sulfide, it is chemically silver sulfide called as silver glance. Let's see how silver is obtained from Ag2S. The first step in the extraction is concentration of ore. Concentration of ore. This is done by froth flotation. Just remember, sulfide ores are generally concentrated by froth flotation technique. Here we put powdered ore, water and pine oil in a tank and we pass air, lots of air is passed and it is agitated. When you get froth and the ore particles will stick to the froth and the particles impurity, that is gangue or matrix, settles down and you recover the froth and allow it to collapse, then oil flows down, what is left out is particles of ore. So that is froth flotation technique. So silver glance is purified, is concentrated by froth flotation technique. Then the next step is leaching. Here the ore is treated with NaCN, sodium cyanide. Cyanide is a very important, very powerful ligand. So we blow air also, then you get AgCN taken twice. This is a soluble complex plus Na2SO4. On cooling, this will crystallize and we get a soluble complex of silver, argentocyanide. Now we remove this by filtration. It is removed by filtration. Then take the filtrate. The filtrate consists of this complex and react it with zinc. Zinc is an active metal, so zinc will knock out silver and it will form ZnCN taken 4 times. It's a metal displacement reaction and you get Ag. This is a metal displacement reaction. These two reactions take place in aqueous solution. That's why it falls under hydrometallurgy category. This is recovered by filtration. Now, the third step, refining. Refining of silver. Now, refining. Refining is done by electrolysis. Electrolytic refining is done. Here, anode is silver, that is impure silver. Impure silver acts as anode and cathode is pure silver. And the electrolyte is AgNO3. Aqueous solution of silver nitrate acts as electrolyte. The impurities zinc, copper, gold. These are the impurities. Zinc will dissolve in the electrolyte as Zn2+, whereas copper and gold, they form anode mud. Copper and gold will be in the anode mud. So this is complete extraction of silver. Silver is extracted from silver glance, Ag2S. The ore is first concentrated by froth flotation. It is then leached with NaCN. Leaching is done with NaCN. The role of oxygen of air is to oxidize sodium sulfide to sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfide is oxidized to sodium sulfate so that on cooling it can separate out as crystals. You get filtrate containing the silver complex. Then zinc is added, which is being more active metal will displace silver, and you get zinc complex in the filtrate, and Ag is formed. Ag is then refined. Method chosen is electrolytic refining. We use anode as impure silver as anode, and pure silver is used as cathode. Electrolyte is aqueous solution of AgNO3. Zinc impurity present in silver will dissolve in the electrolyte. The copper, gold will fall down as anode mud.